Sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on me.
Sick of rent increases or worried about snow with winter around the corner? I'm Ashlee Samaska with Heart and Sold YYC and Remax First. Come inside, we have the perfect listing ready for you.
Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need.
You must be excited, and we're excited for you. Condos like this do not come along often. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 full storage units, and 2 heated underground secure parking. For more information, call Heart and Sold YYC.